Hi! In front of me is NUBIA Red Magic favors, and today I would like to show you how you can add events to calendar on this device. Start by accessing calendar, then pick a date by tapping on the chosen one and create your event by choosing add at the bottom. Now you can customize your event however you wish to. For example, you can add a title, pick starting hour or ending one. You can also disable this feature by tapping on the sweater next to all day and then clicking more. Over here you can set up reminder, minutes, hours, or weeks before your event, set up repetition if you want your event to repeat, for example daily, choose location over here, and even take notes. When you're ready, choose OK, and as you can see, my event was successfully added. If you want to edit it, you can always do that by tapping on it and clicking on Edit at the bottom. Then make your changes and choose OK. If you wish to delete it though, you need to click on it again, but this time select the spin icon instead of Edit one and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!